Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have admin or parental control access, and you know which apps need limits. Open the device's screen time or digital well-being panel and select the downtime or app limits option. Tap Add Limit or Create Schedule, then choose Apps Now so you can act immediately. Once done, set the basic schedule window, start time, end time, and which days apply, so the system can enforce a downtime block without extra prompts. Next, you refine rules. Pick each app or category you want to restrict and decide exact allowances. For every chosen app, set daily limits or specific blocked hours. Make sure to choose whether notifications are silenced so interruptions stop. If available, toggle emergency call or essential app exceptions so critical services still work. Once configured, review allowed app lists and temporary overrides. These middle steps shape behavior during downtime. Finally, activate the schedule and verify enforcement immediately by testing a restricted app during the downtime window. You should see a blocking screen, time remaining prompt, or automatic silence. If not, make sure the schedule is enabled and the selected apps are correctly listed. Once satisfied, lock settings with a PIN or your account password to prevent easy changes. If things go wrong, reboot the device, check for multiple profiles or admin apps, and reapply limits to fix conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.